Good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace a memory chip or RAM. You'll see on my motherboard I only have one chip installed. This is a 8 GB DDR4 memory chip. So yeah, this is a very easy procedure. Anybody can do it. I'll advise maybe using an anti-static wristband to do this, as well as if you can put your desktop on a rubber surface or stand on a rubber surface to prevent any static electricity from touching the motherboard that can blow components on your motherboard. Okay, so let's get to it. You'll see on both sides of the memory chip there's a small clip. You'll see on the loose ones they push back and push forward. Okay, so all you need to do is push back on this one, also push back on this one, and your memory chip is out. If you install another memory chip or a bigger one or better one, you must check that this groove that's in the memory chip aligns with the groove on the board. Otherwise it's going to be incorrectly installed and you may blow a component or it may not work. Alright, so to reinstall this, you're gonna have to push in the one side. Don't push it down, just put it in. Make sure that it's in on both sides, and then you can push down on your memory chip. You'll hear that one click, that one clicks, and there you go, your memory chip is installed. So this is a short video on how to replace your memory chip or your RAM. Yeah, please like and subscribe to the video for more, and thank you for watching.